This is just to give you a rough idea of the width of my palm. CRKT Tuna. Got this for $44.99 at Cabela's. An anodized bronze pivot ring, G10 handle, frame lock, CR14 MOV, I wonder why it doesn't say anything about the spacer or lanyard hole. Pretty light. Good lock up there. Frame lock. Centered. Tip up. Deep carry. Not too bad. Only that part shows. Yeah, it's pretty light. Flicks open. Can we see what kind of washers? Teflon washers. I like this knife. I really love that handle. So basic. There you go. CRKT Tuna. A little bit of jumping there. So apparently this is bronze too, even though it doesn't say on the packaging. I can taste the metal.